Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Recession questions love this trap. Policy can lower unemployment fast, but the natural rate is a different idea, and we can settle it quickly. Expansionary monetary policy boosts aggregate demand, so firms produce more and hire more workers in the short run. That reduces cyclical unemployment because the recession gap starts shrinking. However, the natural rate of unemployment only includes frictional and structural unemployment, not cyclical unemployment. So even if total unemployment falls, the natural rate itself does not move. Therefore, cyclical unemployment decreases, but the natural rate stays the same, which matches choice E. Lower unemployment overall does not mean lower natural unemployment. Well done! You nailed it! Scan now. Trap, do not rush signs.